Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to instantly summarize news articles on OnePlus phone or OnePlus tablet. To instantly summarize news articles, you'll need to first open the article, of course. So let's open something random. Let's go to Wikipedia random. I actually don't know how to use the random option. I'll just get like a random article from here. Okay, you can see it is right there. And if you want to summarize it, you'll just need to slide from the right from this bar towards the center, and you'll see AI summary. Click on that and it'll summarize it. If you don't have the smart bar enabled, I'll show you shortly how to enable it to have it on the screen. You can see it summarizes it, and that's basically how it works. You can copy it, share it, save to notes, stuff like that. If you go to the settings, accessibility and convenience, then smart sidebar, you'll see some smart sidebar that has to be enabled. Also, smart functions need to be enabled in order to be able to use the AI summary. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.